Whenever you connect to a coffee shop or a free and unprotected Wi-Fi, the VPN will help you and will protect you from having your data harvested, from having your data used and abused, from having even more marketing sent your way. And it's also going to protect you from having your phone being sniffed and your communications intercepted, your applications being intercepted by hackers. So definitely the most common use case that you're going to have is turning VPN on. Actually, it should turn on automatically when you connect to an open and shared Wi-Fi. There's absolutely no reason not to do it, and a lot of benefits from actually doing it. You may be concerned that the VPN will slow down your connection. Actually, it's the opposite. The VPN uses compression at the origin. So that means that you're going to do less traffic when using VPN, and your internet might actually be faster than you would expect it to be. And obviously, the second reason why people use VPN is to be able to access geographically restricted content. So that's a very common use case as well. So yes, you need a VPN, and you probably already have one. Just get the best one.
Another good reason for using a VPN solution is accessing content that's naturally blocked in your country, either by your government because it's censored, or by a commercial provider because they couldn't get to an agreement about copyright laws and licensing. So many people these days are using a VPN solution to navigate content that they normally wouldn't be able to access with their own IP address. So some of these platforms are naturally content distribution providers like Netflix or Amazon Prime or Hulu and so on, who obviously have restrictions about content that you can you can access in Europe versus content that you can access in the United States. By being able to rapidly navigate around the globe just by clicking a country on the map, more and more users are able to access this kind of content and circumvent these restrictions.